Today we are going to know what is hair transplant, how does it work, where does it work, in which situation it will work. So just keep watching this video. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes and you will gain lots of knowledge.
Magical experience your maybe short time. You are very good hands. I am very happy to work with you.
Hi, this is Dr. Vivek Galani, founder and chief hair transplant surgeon at RQC Hair Transplant Clinic, Surat, India. So today we are going to discuss about what is hair transplant, how does it work, where does it work. But before that we have to know what is male pattern baldness, what is androgenetic alopecia. So it is a condition, it is slow and progressive condition. The main reason behind baldness is DHT hormone, which is also known as dihydrotestosterone hormone. What this hormone does is it attaches with your hair roots, it starts damaging it. So it is very slow and progressive. It takes over the period of time. Your hairline will start regressing, then the temporal angle area will get involved and the crown area will get involved. So and the thing is, this hormone will damage your hair root permanently. So once your hair root is damaged, the conservative approach won't work. What is conservative approach? That means medications, oils, shampoos, or laser treatment, or PRP treatment, mesotherapy, even stem cell therapy. Nothing will work unless there is a root. So when this DHT hormone starts destroying, it destroys your hair permanently. So how do you know if your hair root is permanently damaged or not? You can know this at your home. You can feel the skin at the bald area. If you can feel it is smooth and soft, that means your roots are probably destroyed, damaged. So at that time, at that place, the conservative approach won't work. Only hair transplant is the permanent natural solution in that case. So what is hair transplant? Hair transplant is a process in which we take your hair roots from the donor area, from the back of your head, and we implant it in your in your recipient area, in your bald patches. So it is a transplantation of hair from one place to another place. How long does it take? It is a one-day procedure. It takes average about 6 to 10 hours, in which in the morning you have to come to the clinic. Within 6 to 8 hours, 10 hours, we will complete the procedure and then you can leave. You don't have to get admitted overnight, or it is one-day procedure. And it doesn't need to you don't have to take too much rest. You can start your office work from the next day, and the recovery is very fast with the latest technologies. Initially in the 2 months, which is known as shedding phase, so after hair transplant, immediately within 2 months your hair will start shedding, it will fall. So it will feel, after 2 months it will feel like you didn't had hair transplant, or you will start doubting that I didn't got results, I don't have hairs. But it starts actually after 3 months, 2 months. So with the beginning of 3 months, you can say the growth phase has started. So with the period of time 3, 4, 5, 6 months, it will start increasing in length, in density, and within 6 to 8 months you can see good results of your hair transplant. So also there are so many questions about transplanted hair, like people usually ask that these are not natural, you cannot cut these hairs, you cannot use shampoo, oil, or what we do with our natural hairs. So these are wrong beliefs. Generally, hair transplant is a procedure in which we use your natural hair. We take your natural hair from the back of your head and we put in the front. So we don't use artificial hair or artificial things. So it is completely natural solution, permanent solution. So it means once we are done with hair transplant, once you have results, you can go to salon, you can cut your hairs, you can use oil, you can use shampoo, you can do whatever you were doing before you went bald. You can do everything that you were used to do once. So I think I have discussed all the important points, and hair transplant is quite large subject, quite big thing to discuss. So obviously you must have questions, more questions about hair transplant procedure. So I would request you, I will feel free to put your questions in our comment box, and I will try best to provide you with the answer as soon as possible. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you very much.